In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a GitHub repository public. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But the first thing you want to do is go onto GitHub, and then if you haven't got a repository already, you want to go ahead and create one. You can name it anything you want. So we're just going to name it literally something random, have a description, which is up to 350 characters, and when you make it, you can actually choose the visibility. You can have it public or private, but let's say it's currently private, and then all you want to do is press create repository. Then let's say you've already made one, right? And then from there, you actually want to go ahead and make it public. So you want to go to repositories, which is on the very top tab. And then from here, all you want to do is click on the little drop down, and then you just want to click on your repository that you have. And then from here, you're going to see the settings tab, which is the final tab. And then all you want to do is scroll down towards the bottom, and it's going to have the danger zone, and it's going to say change repository visibility. It says this repository is currently private. All you want to do is change visibility, change to public, and it's going to ask you if you definitely want to make it public. It's going to ask you all of these different things. Make sure you've read everything. And it says I have read and understand these effects. And it's going to say make this repository public. Then just press that, and then as you can see, it'll be good to go. It's currently public, and now anyone can see it.